Hello everybody! Welcome to this presentation of Builderall. A word of warning first. As you may have noticed, I have a slight accent, But if you don't understand my English, just understand that it is because of you, not because of me. Because people who are quite clever, who know how to speak English, can understand me perfectly well. Of course, there will be some funny accents, funny words, not exactly as they should be pronounced. Yes, but if you don't understand anything about of what I say, this is your fault. So don't blame me because I don't have American accent. Okay, okay. So welcome to this presentation of Builderall. There will be 5 parts in this presentation. But first, let's read the title. Entrepreneurship changes the world. To become an entrepreneur is among the noblest things a person can do toward his or her professional achievement and participation in society. This is what is written, so you have to agree with it. This presentation will have 5 parts. First, a clear vision of what is Builderall. Second, a clear vision of what Builderall stands for. Third, the future we are building for Builderall. Fourth, how to sell Builderall as a product, a service. Fifth, how to sell Builderall as a business opportunity. So you understand? First, a clear vision of what is Builderall. What is it? Then, a clear vision of what Builderall stands for. What are its values? Okay. Then the future we are building for Builderall. The future. What is next? And how? Then fourth and fifth are for business builders, affiliates. How to sell Builderall as a product, a service for end users, and how to sell Builderall as a business opportunity, as a fellow affiliates. There are 2 different things, but they have some connection. Anyway, first, a clear vision of what is Builderall. Builderall is not a tool, and digital marketing platform does not define Builderall. Builderall is an online business platform. Digital marketing is just a piece of the online business. We are the platform for you to turn your $1 million idea into $1 million business. This is a slogan. Slogan in every video. Oh yes, you want to turn your $1 million idea into $1 million business? Yes, I want. Then use Builderall. So the clear vision of what is Builderall. You can use Builderall to build your business. Okay, you can use Builderall to ready to go business. You can use Builderall to learn and teach. You can use Builderall to leverage. Okay, we will see each in details. You can use Builderall to build your business as e-commerce, blog, info product, membership website, web agency, niche marketing agency, consulting, coaching, e-magazine, affiliate marketing, website flipping, SEO, branding, ID testing, etc., etc. Okay, so you can use it for this, but you can use Builderall as a ready-to-go business. Start and build your business in one of the best and most solid online niches. What is this niche? It's a software solution for small businesses, hosting and digital marketing. This is a very old business for internet, web hosting, web publishing, software solution for small businesses and digital marketing to promote those websites. This is very old and it's a eternal, very solid niche on the internet because everybody needs a web hosting. It's like real estate of the internet, of the web. But you can use Builderall also to learn and teach. Get the authority and leverage you need, sharing your content among more than 30,000 entrepreneurs. You can do that. There's a marketplace, and you can learn from others and teach to others for free or the paid content. They are all mixed. Anyway, you can do that. You can use Builderall to do that, to learn and teach. You can use Builderall to leverage. Build a solid and amazing revenue with the open funnel system. Builderall was created to be your office, your lab, your university, your community, your tools platform, and your business. This is a clear vision of what is Builderall. Then, a clear vision of what Builderall stands for. We believe that entrepreneurship is the solution for a fairer and prosperous community. We believe that entrepreneurship can change lives. Builderall offers the entrepreneur a solution to start a business faster, easier, cheaper, and safer, as it still has the meanings of learning and being supported by the community. Builderall was created to be a money-making machine for focused entrepreneurs, with a viral and leverage system to multiply your efforts and earnings. Builderall was created to impact people's lives, giving a real opportunity to work from home, better health and better environment, with a product of world-class quality and international recognition that enables people to realize professional and personal dreams. Builderall empowers you to develop a business 100% through your computer, working with tools, funnels, data, and facts in an efficient way, generating you great, solid, and recurrent financial compensation. Okay, this last sentence was not so good. So, Builderall empowers you to develop a business 100% through the computer, working with tools, funnels, data, and facts in an efficient way, generating you great, solid, and recurring financial compensation. You understand or not? Builderall has all you need to work with efficiency and to earn money, good money, and recurring. So it's a solid base of internet earnings. So you understand, the vision of Builderall is they love entrepreneurs. They make tools for entrepreneurs. They make tools and systems for entrepreneurs, and then for entrepreneurs who want to work with Builderall and to sell Builderall as a business opportunity, then there are even more tools, and they make sure that you get very well compensated for your efforts. It's a tool made by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs, and the combination it's a combination of programmers, businessmen, marketers, affiliates, all working with this tool. So there is a great mindset in this community of users, because Builderall is not for everyone, even if they would like to be for everyone. At the moment, only certain kind of people join Builderall because they like the vision, they like what Builderall stands for, the message. So it resonates with them, and they don't mind helping each other. There's a real sense of community helping. We see faces of other leaders. It's like a sect, maybe like a church. Maybe it's like this, yes. But once you say, okay, whatever, I go into it, then you can find like not a family, but like a community. You can have your place in the community, whatever you can bring or not, but you can learn, you can teach others once you have learned. But this is just like for fun. But at the same time, of course, we have a mindset of entrepreneur making money online. We are not ashamed of this. So it's of course we can help for free fellows, but we can we can help others to make more money. There's no problem with money. This is maybe the difference between this and other places online where not all people have the same mindset about money, about working online, what it means. So this is a vision of what Builderall stands for. And what about the future that we are building for Builderall? Those are some information about what comes next, but like very soon, like before the end of the year. Now we have the start of November. It's before the end of this year, maybe before the end of this month. Well, but this is the future. It can be in 2019 maybe for some things. Anyway, the future we are building for Builderall, the highest quality tool and solid system so that any entrepreneur can be confident in developing his business with Builderall. This is for trust. They need a very high quality tool and a solid system so that entrepreneur can have a full confidence in the system and tool and to put his business in Builderall. This is very important. We have to trust the system that it's a high quality and will not go down and nothing bad will happen because we trust it with our business. So this is the idea, to have the highest quality tool and solid system. Then there is a new complete and intuitive solution, a CRM, a customer relationship management, and Builderall's Canvas. An innovative support system with in-house employees, certified partners, and Builderall users working together. This is for the help support, the new innovative system to put together employees in-house and certified partners, those who have followed the certification training, and Builderall users working together to help each other or to create like a FAQ. Anyway, we are creating country marketing teams and working closely with the most brilliant entrepreneurs and marketers. We are implementing the one entrepreneur in every family business plan, seeking 100,000 active users in the next year. Builderall $1 million per month challenge. We want and we will work to have at least 1,000 entrepreneurs making $1,000 per month. Live events around the world. Builderall Everest Digital Marketing Live event. A new global system for commission payment. This is the future for Builderall, the near future. Then we get into the interesting part, for me at least, is how to sell Builderall as a product, as a service, or how to sell Builderall as a business opportunity. Two parts. So, how to sell Builderall as a product, service. Promote the Builderall money-making funnels. They are pre-made funnels in your interface, in your menu. You go to business builders, then money making funnels, and you will find funnels to promote Builderall as a product, but also to promote Builderall as a business opportunity. So this point, this promote the Builderall money making funnels will be in both ways, to promote it as a product or as a business opportunity. Okay, in your menu, business builders, then money making funnel. Those are your affiliate links anyway. So they are pre-made and you promote them. You promote your affiliate link, and every contact, every person who will go into these funnels will become your leads. So you will have access to them. You can talk to them with the internal message center, or you can get their email and put them on an email list, on mailing boss. Anyway, those are your prospects. So those are your funnels. Then you have to create your own magnetic lead to attract leads. Create a bonus, or a gift. Create your own videos because people buy from people. You have authority. The product has benefits. And have the magic bullet mindset. Magic bullet is this tool, this kitchen tool to create smoothies, juice, um, whatever, and on TV advertisement, people show what you can do with the magic bullet. They show you the fruits, the vegetables, and what you can create, the smoothie, and then you want the smoothie. And how to have this, how to do this. The tool is the magic bullet. But, the magic bullet is both the first, the main actor and just a side actor in the advertisement, because the main thing is the final product, what you can do with it. But to do it, you need the tool, and the tool is here, and it's only this price. So that's the way to promote, to sell Builderall as a product, is to have the magic bullet mindset. Show what you can do with Builderall. Learn new things you can do with Builderall. Ask people what they need, and show how to do it on Builderall. Then you can also promote live events to introduce solutions for known problems. What you can do also is to focus in one niche or one need, and become an authority, a reference, an expert in this niche or this need. This will help you to sell Builderall as a product, as a side effect of being an expert in one niche, one need. Then they will say, but what does the expert use to do all what he does? He uses Builderall. Okay, I will use the same product. That's the way to sell it. And then we have how to sell Builderall as a business opportunity. Like I said, first is promote the Builderall's money-making funnels that you will find in the menu Business Builders. Those are working good, and they can promote Builderall as a business opportunity, and some others funnels can promote it as a product. So what you can do to sell it is you have to list and share your Builderall reasons. The reasons why you are using Builderall, why you are using Builderall as and selling it as a business opportunity. Why are you using Builderall as a product? What do you do? List, and first you have to make this work, this job of listing your own reasons. Is it because you want to earn money online? You want to maybe sell a product? What are your reasons to use Builderall? To have paid, to pay monthly for Builderall? Why do that? And share it. Nobody asks you for your reason, but you never mind. You share it, your reason. You share, because people maybe they will read your reasons, and they will say, "Oh yes, I have this need." Okay, and this person has this need, and he has chosen Builderall for this. Okay, maybe I will give it a try. So list and share. No need for people to ask you to share. You do it. And you will see this is important to share whatever you want, publish on the internet. Because sharing means creating an article or a picture and share it on social networks, on YouTube as a video. Anyway, you produce content, you share. You don't wait for people to ask you in order to share or to answer people. You need to act like as if you had millions of fans asking you questions and wanting to know your opinion, or what are you doing today. You need to act like this and share, like if the world wanted to know everything about you, why you choose Builderall, how much you make with Builderall. You share this. Okay. And then create your own magnetic lead. Same as before, create a bonus, create a reason, a gift for people to be attracted to this thing, and then to get it, they have to get onto your list, email list, or they have to contact you. Anyway, it's like honey to attract beers. You put it out there, you share it, and it will attract like a magnet. It will attract leads for you. You can work with the open funnel system. You will see in Bulldor what is the open funnel system. It's very clever. It's like top affiliates create funnels to sell Bulldor as a business opportunity, and those top affiliates can share the funnels. You can simply import them into your Bulldor account and use them to sell Bulldor as a business opportunity. And when you do, whatever funnels you've used, the creator of this funnel will earn a small commission on every sales you make. But this commission is not taken out of your pocket. It's taken out of Bulldor's pocket. It's in addition. So this is very good because you can use funnels from top affiliates who have already made hundreds of sales with those funnels, and you get the exact same tools. You only have to promote it, to send traffic to it, and it will work. All the job is done already, and it's free for you. You are not being paid less because you use those funnels. No, those funnels are in addition to Bulldor's own money-making funnels. With this open funnel system, they have enabled top affiliates to add funnels for others to use. But you don't get only the Bulldor's company made funnels. You get the funnels made and used by the top affiliates, those who have proven results with their funnels, with their expertise. They know how to do it better than Bulldor itself, because they work as affiliates. Their only income is when they sell Bulldor. So you understand? If you don't, then don't use it. But you should work with the open funnel system. You go and look, choose one or several, and use them. And share your results every day. Same as your Bulldor reason, but this is results every day. Even if you get zero, if you get nothing this day, you share it, because you have to act as if people care about your results. And every time you share results, it means you have published something online. And when you get results, this will work even better because you share. Okay, it's good practice, but you have some result, and it will. This is the way the world works. They see results from others, then they will be attracted to you, even if you think that you have a crap result, like getting one sale today. Doesn't matter, For some people, this is very, very good. They have never sold anything online. They will see, you have one, then you can have two, maybe you have more. Share results every day, and even just for you share it, because your results will improve. So maybe in 3 months you will be able to look back at when you started, because you have made this action of sharing results every day. It's a good practice also for habits, and this is another point, is taking action every day. Yeah, even if one day you don't have time, you have no time at all to publish anything, to work on your business, then at least share your result. Make a screenshot of your result and post it on Facebook, or post it on your blog, whatever. Even if it takes you literally 2 or 5 minutes, but do it like brushing your teeth. It's like an habit. And of course, you cannot live like this for a long time. You cannot only work 5 minutes and posting your results always zero. or a little bit more. No, you cannot. You need to have some days where you work on your business, of course, but for days like a day off, at least post something to keep the habit. So share your results this day. Take action every day. And in the first time of your activity, focus on the distribution channels. Leverage. This means, we have the choice to sell Builderall as a business opportunity or as a product service. But in the first time, you should put all your energy, all your time, all your focus on developing your distribution channels. What is distribution channels in this context? It's just a new affiliate. You sell the business opportunity to other people, then you get a commission on them, okay? Of course, but this is not the point. You develop your distribution channels, because each affiliate you have, each client you have who will work as a reseller, as an affiliate, they are your distribution channel, because you get a commission on their sales. So you need to focus on two things. First thing is to get first distribution channel, like maybe 10, have a goal of 10, but the second focus is also to help, to work closely with those first affiliates, fellow affiliates, your customers who work with you, to work with them, to help them develop their own distribution channel, to make sales, because as they make sales, they develop it, you get more money because you get commission on their own sales, I don't know if you understand, but you need to focus, like set a goal to have 10 partners under you, and work with those partners, show them what they need to do, make videos like this to present Builderall, to explain to them this, that you will help them to get their first 10, to achieve the goal of having 10 at least partners themselves. Each one, you talk to them, you push them, you lead by example, by showing that you care, because you are developing your own distribution channel, by talking to them, by pushing them to have some sales, and to sell to other affiliates also, not only to sell as a Builderall as a service, but to sell as a business opportunity to at least 10 people under each of them. Focus on this, like take the time it needs, with close contact with them, with your customer, your partners, and develop this, like for 1 month, 2 months, maybe it will take. And don't spend too much time on trying to sell Builderall as a product at this moment. First you develop your distribution channels, and then when you will have reached your goals, maybe it will not be perfect, maybe each of your 10, maybe you will have a little bit than 10, or each one will not have 10 partners, maybe. Then at this moment you can unleash the promotion of Builderall as a product to reach end users with the $10 per month plan and things like this. Then you have a big distribution channel, and you will get results. Okay, so first focus on the distribution channels to have leverage as a first. What you can do also is promoting or participating in live events. If you have live events in your area, you can apply to be a speaker, and at the end of the speech to address a problem, and at the end of the speech you can sell your business opportunity, which will be a Builderall. You can do that if you feel like you like that, or if you want to force yourself. What you need is consistency and laser focus. Be consistent, take action every day, and laser focus on one thing, like developing your distribution channel. Laser focus on this. Don't do that for 1 week, 2 weeks, and then look at other business opportunity. No, laser focus on Builderall as a business opportunity, developing your distribution channels and doing that by taking action every day. So consistency. Create your own videos. There is no excuse. There's no excuse possible. Like you cannot say, "Oh, I don't do video because blah blah," because something. There is no excuse possible. Everything you will say is not acceptable. It's not an excuse. In fact, you can say, "Oh, I don't have a good camera," or "Oh, I don't know what to say," or "I don't know what to do as video." Those are not excuses. You can do a video of your cat. You can talk about nothing. You can no sound. Make videos, and then once you publish everyday videos, you have the right to improve them, to find things to talk about, to show your face or not, to buy a better camera. You can do that, but this is not excuse not to start it. You can start with anything, and then you can be ashamed of what you have done. You don't delete the video, you just publish new and better video so that you are not ashamed of them. So you can be proud of them, or they can be more useful for you to sell better as business opportunity. You can find new topics to talk about. You can do that, but you don't take excuse and not do video waiting to have the good idea. No, you do videos, and at the same time you try to find the good idea. Voilà, this. You have to build your authority as an entrepreneur. So whatever that means, building authority means you have to maybe to read, to learn things so that you can slowly become more knowledgeable than the average person. This will be a start, to know more than 80% of people about this topic, of entrepreneurship. And then you can build authority and become better than 90% of people. And that's enough, because a lot of people are total beginners. But work on building your authority, so knowing things, knowing other people. When there is a question, you know the answer. Maybe you talk about the solution of non-problems. So you are already talking about solution, not only discovering the problem. So this is a big step. So build your authority as an entrepreneur. Build your email list every day. This building email list should be priority number one. Having new subscribers to your mailing list means having new leads, new prospects. So every day you should have more subscribers to your email list. And this could be like a game, like a score, to keep score of how many new subscribers you can get. Yes, it's good. It's a good game. You can have the goal of having 10 new people giving email address. And this is not paying or not buying a builder. It's giving their email address in exchange for a lead magnet, a gift, a bonus that you give, whatever, And you just look at your score every day. Okay, today I have 5. Okay, I need to send more traffic to improve my offer, my magnetic lead, whatever. But this can be a game, and a good game, because down the road you will be happy to have this game, because you will have then thousands of contacts in your mailing list. Than if, for instance, like it's going to happen now, Builderall launch a new product or a new service, then you want to promote it, and you will have those thousands of people in your email list. You can send an email and you will reach thousands of people. It will work better than if you are just starting like today, and you don't have email subscribers. You only have your Facebook account with some friends on it, and you talk about Builderall. You will talk to only those people who will see your publication on the internet. I don't know how many that is, but that's that. But once you have your email list and you have worked every day to have more and more subscribers into it. Then you will have 100,000 down the road in 3 months. You will have a lot of people, more people. I mean, a lot. It's more people than today, and this is an asset in your life as an entrepreneur for whatever reason, whatever product you want to promote. Your own product, if you launch your own product one day in 3 months, like an online training about how to sell Builderall as a business opportunity, could be that. You launch on your product, you will have hundreds of thousands of people on your email list, and you will have maybe develop your YouTube channel because you have posted a video every day, your Facebook friends, or people who likes your page because you share your result every day and they have improved over time. You will have so much more people to reach. This is important. So, and to do this, the last point is to be obsessed. Be obsessed by entrepreneurship, and at the same time live the best lifestyle you can. Both your personal life, professional life, live as best as you can. You can go out, you can not always do business in front of your computer. You can go walk, but be obsessed. And even when you are outside visiting a museum or a zoo or whatever, you can make association of ideas between your business, what you are doing online, and what you are seeing in your personal life, in your real life, and make association. It will happen naturally if you are obsessed by your business. It will happen. You will find association, new ideas for new content that you cannot find just by being by thinking rationally. As work, you cannot think, oh, what can I associate with business, and like a monkey, what cool idea can I have? You can think of some, but being at the zoo and watching the monkeys, maybe they will do something that will make you think about something business related, your business, and you can make association very easily, naturally. So be obsessed, but live the best lifestyle you can, and this will work together very fine. So what is next now that this presentation is finished? Let's work to make you a huge success. Be part and get involved with the community and our mission. Let's help to create one entrepreneur in every family. Let's build something extraordinary. And see you next time. Bye bye. Let your comment on the video. I will be notified wherever this video is. And yeah, let's talk about it if you are interested, because I am too. Bye bye.